Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Gracefully Curled. In today's video, I will be showing you a simple and easy DIY foot scrub using 4 ingredients that you probably already have at home. If you're interested in how to do it, just keep on watching. So the first thing you're going to need is some pure cane sugar. For many centuries, cane sugar has been used as a gentle exfoliator, but basically what it does is it removes dead skin cells, dirt, and oil that can clog your pores, making it the perfect base for our foot scrub today. The next thing you need will be 2 teaspoons of olive oil. Olive oil softens your cuticles and also moisturizes your skin. You will also need 1 tablespoon of agave nectar or honey. Agave nectar is known for its anti-aging properties. It binds moisture to the skin and helps it stay hydrated. Next, you'll need 2 teaspoons of baking soda. Baking soda just softens your calluses and also treats fungus. Make sure you have a bowl, of course, and a spatula to mix everything up with. You also want to make sure you have a jar to store this in, and I'm going to use an 8-ounce mason jar. Then you want to go ahead and combine everything in the bowl. So 1 cup of cane sugar, 2 teaspoons of baking soda, 2 teaspoons of olive oil, and 1 tablespoon of agave nectar or honey. I think this would make for like the perfect birthday gift or bridal shower gift, wedding gift. But today I'm going to be using it as part of my spa day routine. And it's so gentle, you can barely even tell that you're using anything, but you will be able to feel the difference. You guys have to try this foot scrub. I promise you, your feet will feel baby soft after you use it. I do want to thank you all so much for watching my channel. Until next time, be blessed.
This just part of the cycle. This the part when the flowers start to